You got 1/4 of a rupee. The coins that you are getting here, 1 rupee coin, 50 paisa coin, 25 paisa coin, the ratio of that is 3:4:12. I don't know how many coins are there, but there will be 1/4 rupee coin. If you are going to get 3 coins of 1 rupee, I'll say, sorry, internet. Am I audible to all of you people? Please, 1/4 rupee, 25 paisa is known as a 1/4 of a rupee. The coins are given in the ratio of 3:4:5. So if there are 3 coins of 1 rupee, I'll say I will get 3 rupees. Do you understand it? I will multiply 3 into 1. There are 4 coins of half rupee. So I'll say it is 2 rupees. It is 12 coin of 1/4, that is 3 rupees. So the sum of this is 8 rupee ratio. My dear, it is ratio, which comes out to be what? It comes out to be rupees 600. So what is, rupee get cancel out. So one ratio will come out to be 600 by 8. Or I'll say this is 8 sevens are 56, 8 fives are 40. So one ratio is equal to 75. One ratio is 75. So what will be the coins of how many 25 paise coin are there? Can I say it is 12 ratio? 12 ratios are there as a 25 paisa coin. Every ratio is 75. I'll multiply it. 75 2s are 150, 75 1s are 75, 80, 90. So I will say this is 900 is the coin that you are going to get. But you can also do it from here. These are the coins that you are getting. These are not, this is not the amount. Here it is talking about total value. So total value comes out to be 3 ratio. You can see it from here. So can I say it is 75 into 3 will be your answer when we talk about the amount? It is coming out to be 225, which 2 of the people have given me the correct answer, right? The ratio of the first class and second class fare, we are talking about the ratio of the fare 3:1. So if you are going by second class, you will pay 1 rupee. If you are going by first class, you have in second class. Now the passengers who are going, this okay, can you, this is the fare. The passenger, it is given the passengers traveling by the first class and the second class are in 1:27. These are the number of passengers. So if one passenger is going by first class, how much money will be contributed? He pays 3 rupees. I will say 3 rupee ratio. Question. The ratio of the first class, and second class, thank you, Ritika. Fare is 3 second class, and the number of passengers traveling are in the ratio of 1:27. So if there is only one passenger who goes by first class, there are 27 passengers who are going by second class. Fine. So what is the total money that you will collect? So if one passenger is going and he is going to pay 3 rupees, total money collected is 3 rupees. If 27 passengers are going by second class, they will collect 27 rupees. What is the sum of the money that you have got? It is 30 rupee ratio. Fine. If 2700 is collected as a fare and that is given as a 2700 rupees. So you can understand this is ratio. This is 30 rupee ratio. So one ratio will come out to be 90 rupees. 90. So what is the amount collected from the first class passenger? First class passenger, what is the amount collected? Can I say it is 3 rupee amount? Into 90 is what I need to multiply because one ratio is equal to 90. That comes out to be 270 rupees. So yes, that answer is coming out to be correct. The third one will be correct answer. So of the present age of mother is to daughter is 9:4. And this is the present age. 10 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 7:2. What is the gap between 9 and 7? Can I say it is 2 ratio? And here also the ratio is 2. And I know this 2, both of them are coming out to be same, which is coming out to be 10 years. So I'll say, if I talk about 2 ratio in terms of ratio, it is ratio, but in years, it is 10 years. So can I say 1 ratio is equal to 5 years here? So my dear, we want to find out the present ages. I'll multiply them by 5. Mother will come out to be 45 and daughter will come out to be 20 years. So that's why the second option is coming out to be correct. Age of Chinta, money is 14:19. These are the present ages. The average age of Sukanya, Chinta, and money. The average of their age, I don't know what is the ratio here, but the average age, say it is x is to 14:19 is what I'm taking. But it is given the present age of Sukanya to that of Chinta is 5:7. This is given as a 5:7. When 7 is doubled here, I'll say 5 will be also double. I can write it as a 10. Now the ratio comes out to be 10:14:19. Average means it is the sum of the value divided by the number of terms, which comes out to be 10 plus 14 plus 19 ratios divided by 3. This is 23, 33, 43 by 3. 43 by 3 ratio is equal to 43 years, my dear. So can I say from this, 1 ratio will be equal to 43, 43 get cancelled out, is equal to 3 years. So I will say the ratio of the ages of them is 10:14:19. I'll multiply it by 3. So it is Sukanya is 10 into 3 is 30. Chinta is 14 3s are 42. And money is coming out to be 19 3s are 57. I believe it is clear. Here they are asking about the present age of money, which comes out to be 57, my dear. I believe it is clear. Take a screenshot. Of males is to females is coming out to be 4:3. If the males increase by 10% and females by 20%, my dear, what is the new ratio of male is to female? I know if you talk about force, 10% means 10 upon 100, which gives you 0.4. Can I say if it increases by 0.4, this becomes 4.4? 3 2s are 6, 30 ka 20% will be coming out to be what? It is 6 by 10 is 0.6, I'll say 3.6. So I can say 4 11s are, 4 9s are. This will be the ratio of males is to females. I know copper is to zinc. Copper is known as Cu and zinc is known as Zn. The ratio of them is 4:1 and 1:3. So this is 10 kg in weight and this one is 16 kg in weight. The first one is 10 kg, second is 16 kg. And then there's a pure copper that is added, such that ratio of copper is to zinc becomes 3:2. So one thing is clear that there's some copper that is added. I don't know how much copper is added, but there was a copper that was added. And then it becomes 3:2. So let's do first this. The ratio of the copper is to zinc is 4:1 and that is equal to 10 kg. Can I say the sum of them is equal to 5 ratio, which comes out to be 10 kg? So I can say 1 ratio is coming out to be 2 kg. So from this, I can say this is 8 kg and this is 2 kg. The sum of this is coming out to be 4 ratio, which is equal to 16 kg. I'll say 1 ratio is coming out to be 4 kg. So I'll say this comes out to be 4 kg, this comes out to be 12 kg. Now when you combine them, of course, zinc is not going to be added. So zinc is 12 plus 2 is coming out to be how much? Can I say it is 14 kg of zinc will be there? How much is copper? Copper is 8 plus 4 is 12 kg of copper is there. Plus x kg of extra copper is added here. I know if 2 is equal to 14, 3 will come out to be 21 kg. I'm sure all of you can understand this. I will say that this value will come out to be 21. Why? Because if 2 ratio is equal to 14 kg, 3 will come out to be 21. So just tell me if it is coming out to be 21, how much kg of the copper, pure copper is added? Can I say it is 9 kg of pure copper added? Of course, it is not asking question. Still, I would like to know what is the copper added here. I will say this is 21, but my God, earlier it was coming out to be only 12 kg. So 9 kg of the pure copper was added to it. Now, what is the weight of the new alloy? You know, 2 is equal to 14. So 5 will be equal to 35 kg is the total weight of it. Moreover, you can see this is 21 kg. This is 14 kg. Summation of that comes out to be 35 kg. So your total volume of this, total weight of this in kg comes out to be 35. I believe it is clear. Take a screenshot.